Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the Isopleth maps and learn how to create one for Western India. Isopleth maps are powerful tools that help us visualize spatial variations in data across a specific area. Whether it's rainfall, temperature, population density, or elevation, Isopleth maps can provide valuable insights. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's first understand what an Isopleth map is. An Isopleth map is a type of thematic map that represents the distribution and intensity of a particular phenomenon or data across a given area. It uses contour lines or color gradients to connect points of equal value, allowing us to visualize patterns, trends, or gradients in the data. In our case, we'll be creating an Isopleth map of rainfall levels in Western India, specifically focusing on the regions of Rajasthan and Gujrat. So, let's jump into the step-by-step process of creating this map. Step 1. Obtain rainfall data. To begin, we need to collect rainfall data for the desired time period from reliable sources such as meteorological departments, research institutions, or online databases. Make sure the data is specific to the areas of interest, Rajasthan and Gujrat. Step 2. Prepare data for mapping. Organize the rainfall data in a tabular format, with columns representing location and rainfall measurements. It's important to ensure the data is complete and accurate, without any missing or erroneous values. Step 3. Select appropriate rainfall intervals. Determine the rainfall intervals you want to represent on the map. In our case, we'll use intervals of less than 20 centimeters, 20 to 40 centimeters, 40 to 60 centimeters, and more than 60 centimeters. Feel free to adjust these intervals based on the available data and the desired level of detail. Step 4. Choose a base map. Select a suitable base map of Western India that includes Rajasthan and Gujrat. You can use a physical map or a political map as a base to add your Isopleth data. Step 5. Assign values to grid cells. For each grid cell, determine which category it falls into based on its rainfall data. Assign a value to each cell accordingly, such as 1 for less than 20 centimeters, 2 for 20 to 40 centimeters, and so on. Step 6. Determine data points for interpolation. Now, choose a subset of data points from your collected dataset that will be used for interpolation. This subset should evenly cover the entire region of interest, including Rajasthan and Gujrat. These data points will help estimate rainfall values for areas where data is missing or sparse. Next, it's time to choose an interpolation method. Select an appropriate technique, such as the inverse distance method, to estimate rainfall values for areas with missing or sparse data. Next, perform interpolation. Apply the chosen interpolation method to estimate rainfall values for the entire region of interest. This interpolation process will fill in the gaps between the selected data points, providing a continuous representation of rainfall levels across the map. Step 7. Create Isopleth lines. Determine the contour lines for each rainfall interval. Isopleths are lines that connect points of equal value, in this case, equal rainfall. Use the interpolated rainfall values to generate contour lines that represent the boundaries between different rainfall intervals. Geographic Information Systems (GIS) software can be helpful in this process. Step 8. Style the map. Once the Isopleth lines are created, it's time to style the map according to your preferences and standards. Choose appropriate colors or shading techniques to differentiate between the rainfall intervals and make the map visually appealing and easily understandable. Consider using a legend or color scale to indicate the rainfall values associated with each interval. Step 9. Label the Isopleth lines. To make the map more informative, label the Isopleth lines with the corresponding rainfall values. This will help viewer understand the rainfall distribution across the map. Step 10. Add a legend. Include a legend that explains the meaning of each Isopleth line and its associated rainfall category. This will assist viewer in interpreting the map correctly. Step 11. Add title and additional information. Finally, add a title to the map, such as Rainfall Isopleth Map of Western India, Rajasthan and Gujrat. You can also include other relevant information, such as the time period for which the rainfall data was collected. And there you have it. You've successfully created an Isopleth map of rainfall levels in Western India. Remember to review the map for accuracy and clarity, and make any necessary adjustments or improvements before finalizing it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed learning about Isopleth maps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.